Alright, today we're going to take a look at a very nice little addition to my Zippo collection. So this one arrives in the protective sleeve over the box, and it says stars above the barcode. And this is a 1941 replica, so it's got a special box. It also says stars back there. It's got that idiotic California warning on it. But it was made in Bradford, PA, and it's a genuine Zippo. So it's got a special insert also. It's a 1941 replica made in USA. And several distinctive characteristics distinguish the 1941 replica from a modern Zippo. It's got a flat plain case, less rounded edges, distinctive corners on the lid, 4-barrel hinge, and replica inside unit. Modern Zippo lighters have a 5-barrel hinge. So here is the stars. Now that is I think it's a black ice finish, but it's a brushed finish, so it's not really reflective or a mirror polish. You can see the 4-barrel hinge, and it's got a brushed finish. And on the bottom, one special thing about it is it's got a patent number down there on the left, and the patent number 2032695. Pretty good stampings on this, made in Bradford, PA. F of 18. F of 18, which is June, I think, of this year, or last year. Let's see, June of 18, yeah, it would be last year. So here is the stars, 1941 replica. It's got a steel insert, it's got a special insert, but I really couldn't find the difference on it. So it lights up nice. Got a real good sound. Flatter top, flatter sides. Let's do a drop test on this replicant. A lit drop test. So the 1941 replica passes the drop test just like the new ones do. It's a really good one. Good star design. And that deserves more cowbell. Knuckle bump.